we're back. Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a good holiday. And we're back on our first trip of 2025. We're excited. We have a lot of good buddies on this trip. So just a whole bunch of different trucks, people that I've never camped with, longtime friends. So we're gonna bring you along this one. We're up to 395, one of our favorite places to camp in California, up the Sierras. So it's gonna be a good one. It'll be chilly, probably maybe drop down at night to somewhere around the 20s, so get prepared for that. A lot of good food, a lot of cooking, a lot of off-roading, and just camping with good people. So we're stoked on it. A lot of really cool builds. That's what we're excited for. So many unique builds on this one. So let me give you a tour of that, and then we'll get into some cold weather camping tonight up the Sierras. The Tacoma, this awesome Ranger, Tacoma. What up, Tom? You guys? You ready?
Yeah, I think I am.
Back at it, baby.
Back at it once again.
Got the Tundi. We got Tony. And there we go. Brand new Tacoma 4Runner action. So it's gonna be a good one. We have Kung Fu Tonic still filling up over there. Let's get it going.
Who's that?
I'm a Easy Supply, right?
Easy Supply.
Damn, dude.
Spotted.
Holy shit.
Spotted.
Can I touch you? Oh my god, can I put my
Dude.
lips on you?
These guys are crazy.
Dude, I recognize the truck and everything. Hey, do you have you got any merch?
Yeah, I got some caddies. You guys want some caddies?
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 I
Anyone want some
I
caddies?
want both of them.
Boys are getting rowdy, Jose.
We're getting ready to get rowdy.
All right, let's go.
Yeah. Goodbye. Sure is good to know ya. I'm so thankful for ya. That's how I'll always feel. I'm gone, but not forgotten. Troubles, sure I've got 'em. Now they don't seem as real. 'Cause I've seen a place not far from here where diamonds light up the sky. I've waltzed with my lover, rolled in the clover. I've heard the whippoorwill cry. I'm gone, but not forgotten. Troubles, sure I've got 'em. Now they don't seem as real. Now I've seen a place not far from here where diamonds light up the sky.
Gee, wait, how many colors did they give you, bro?
Too many.
I've waltzed with my lover,
Already?
rolled in the clover.
Gold bubs?
I've heard the whippoorwill cry. I'm gone, but not forgotten. Troubles, sure I've got 'em. Now they don't seem as real.
Ooh, that's icy. We reached a way higher elevation than we were the previous night, which made for snow. So we drove through some snow. It's pretty icy just because I don't think there hasn't been any fresh rain recently, so a lot of the snow has become ice. So driving through that with the F-150 was definitely a treat. There were some aspects where, you know, I really had to give it that feathered pedal, making sure I didn't slide back into the truck behind us, but overall, this is a really cool campsite, and it always is a reminder that Inyo and 395 and the Sierras just have so much to explore. This is just one of probably hundreds, if not thousands, of trails that take you to beautiful places. So we're camping next to a creek, which is what we'll be going to bed with for our backdrop or back noise. And we're just trying to stay warm. So I changed puffer, base layers, beanies, base layers down below, and some heavy canvas pants and some boots. And it's gonna be a cold one, but we're stoked. We're gonna chill. I'll show you the campsite and see everyone's builds, and just excited to come back out here and do some truck camping out here in some colder temps. Up down to something like 20 or 15 degrees tonight, so I'll keep you posted, but it's good. Stoked. Uh-oh, here comes trouble. Nico, are you eating the ice?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Does it taste good?
Mm-hmm.
What's it taste like?
Water.
Tastes like water?
Yeah.
And freedom? And camping?
Yeah.
And s'mores?
No.
No s'mores? We should have brought snow cone mix. All right. Well, I guess enjoy your snow. I'll see you around town. Later, Julie Brown.
Goodbye. Sure is good to know ya. I'm so thankful for ya. That's how I'll always feel. That's how I'll always feel. That's how I'll always feel.
He has a 270 by Rome with the, and is it an annex later?
Yeah.
And then he has the Howl campfire, keeping everyone warm with the caddies on the side of his truck. Wild Cane, right? Wild Cane Supply
Oh yeah.
on Insta. What is it?
Wild Cane Supply on Insta.
Let's go.
WildCaneSupply.com online.
Good morning. It was very, very cold last night. I don't know. I asked the guys when I get out of the truck, but I bet you it got down to like 15, which is cold. So I stayed pretty warm. I didn't even put the buddy heater on, to be honest. I just used this aeronaut blanket plus like a big comforter on top, and I stayed pretty warm. But man, definitely woke up a lot during the night. So I'm hoping today's campsite isn't nearly as cold. Check out the camper shell glass. Yeah, it's just like straight frosted over. That's legit ice. So it was cold. Battery bank did super well last night. Charged. I did watch some movies on the iPad before bed. Put all this here by the tailgate so the cold air wouldn't come through. You can see like there's still some air cracks. Need to fix that, but did well. Now to get some coffee. I need a little bit on this side. This is warm. I mean, it's not fucking cold. You need hot water, Eddie?
Yeah, I could use a little bit. The Blackstone didn't warm up my tea here. Thank you, that's perfect. Just enough. Dude, now I'm starting to appreciate coffee a little bit.
That wraps up last night's camping. Again, I keep reiterating this, but it was cold, and I don't know if I'm just getting older, but cold weather, definitely come prepared. Yeah, you got to come prepared, and I'm honestly really impressed with the aeronaut blanket. I love that thing. The thing kept me super, super toasty. That's exactly where we were. We're up on the other side of that brown mountain towards the base of the snowy peaks. So just beautiful great campsite. We're gonna go up north farther on Mammoth, towards Mammoth, and see what else we can get into. Did a lot of off-roading to get here. We're camping in Mammoth now, and I pretty much had my t-shirt on for the majority of the day until recently I put my jacket on. But the views are definitely the reason why we come out here. I'll show you. Check these out. It's so pretty. I didn't get much of us setting up camp. We were starving. We didn't really eat much food in the morning. We just wanted to get going, hit the road, and try to get here so we can utilize the majority of the day, which is what we did. So right now I've just been shooting stuff on my phone, some rig caddy content on some of the other guys' trucks, some content for other brands, and just kind of having fun with it, but not too much vlogging. So I just wanted to hop on here, reconnect with you guys, and show you the second location. I'll do a walkthrough of the campsite. You guys will love it. All right, check these out.
This old town's been talking about my round town ways. Whole town's been talking about my round town ways. My wanton way of a loving, putting numbers on my days. Baby, when I met you, I was on a spree. Baby, when I met you, I was on a spree. You can get me down on my bended knee.
My wife's family has coined this term, and sometimes I catch myself saying it. Right now, I'm Warmy Caborny. Caborny? I don't know. Sydney, probably said that wrong. Sorry. Anyways, it's cold. We're out here. I wasn't going to stay another night, but honestly, the vibes here just, they're primo. This is nice. This area is just gorgeous. Again, I've never camped out in Mammoth before. I've been to Mammoth as a kid, but never truck camped in Mammoth. So being able to say, hey, we truck camped out here, we're exploring the Sierras. I pushed the truck pretty hard. Hopefully I'll get some drone shots in there so you guys can see what we accomplished to get here. But man, it's just, you can't beat this. I wasn't gonna stay, but then look at this view. It's like, I don't know how you say no to something like this. Wake up with some coffee, get out. The boys are jamming back there with some Rage Against the Machine. But yeah, thank you again for watching. We've had a lot of views in the last 2 truck camping videos, and I really appreciate it. I told myself I would do a lot more vlogging this year just because we're out here camping on the regular, so might as well show what inspired the business, why we did the rig caddy, why we're still doing the rig caddy, the problems that it solves, and just all the good times that come along with running an outdoor kind of overland brand, and showing you guys that we're actually out here doing it. If you've been enjoying these, like, subscribe, shoot a comment, we respond, and yeah, check out our truck setup. We've been pretty stoked on it.
I saw you walking by. I tried to catch your eye. Why didn't I leave you? Didn't I leave you alone? My wanton way of loving, I'm bound to roll.
Cooked, watched a movie. I know, who am I? But it's actually really nice. Put the movie on the iPad. Lord of War, Nicolas Cage, fire. Haven't seen it. And now we're just packing up the trucks. Everyone put their campsites away, picked up whatever is left around here, and then we're gonna hit the trail and jam out of here. So I guess we'll see you on the next one. I'll do a little bit of a outro and plug on everyone that was here, and you guys can go give them a follow. And again, thank you for watching. It was 7 degrees this morning. That's no joke.
No joke.
No joke.
Business.
What do you think, Eddie? No joke biz?
No joke business. Brisk. I think that was the coldest of the whole trip.
Yeah,
Yeah.
felt like it.
Definitely felt like it. But man,
We did good though.
Look at this view.
Yeah.
And everybody did great.
Let's hit it.